Most people train their abs harder than ever and still wonder why their belly fat will not go away. You can do crunch after crunch and see zero change in the mirror. That is not because you are lazy or doing it wrong. It is because belly fat does not respond to exercises the way most people think. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly which movements actually help burn belly fat faster and how to use them the right way. If we have not met before, I'm a certified fitness coach, and my goal is to help you train smarter, not just harder. Today, we are breaking down 5 exercises that are proven to torch calories, wake up your metabolism, and help your body tap into stored fat, especially around the belly area. This is not a magic routine, and it is not about spot reduction myths. It's about choosing the right movements that work your entire body and create real fat loss results over time. You do not need fancy equipment for most of these exercises. Your own body weight is enough, and I will also give you options if you want to make things easier or more challenging. This video is a mix of education and coaching, so you will understand why these exercises work and how to use them safely. Stick around until the end, because the final exercise in the way you combine all 5 is where most people see the biggest change.
Before we get into the exercises, let me clear up something important. Belly fat burns when your body is in a calorie deficit and your metabolism is active. Exercises that use large muscle groups, raise your heart rate, and demand coordination send a much stronger signal to burn fat than isolated ab moves. That is why these exercises focus on full body engagement while still challenging your core. We start with one of the most effective movements you can do anywhere: squats. Squats work your legs, glutes, core, and even your upper body when done correctly. When you squat, your body uses a lot of energy because so many muscles are involved. That energy demand helps increase calorie burn both during and after your workout. To perform a squat, stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. Sit your hips back as if you were lowering into a chair, keep your chest tall, and push through your heels to stand back up. If you are a beginner, keep the range of motion comfortable and focus on control. You can even squat to a chair. If you are more advanced, slow down the lowering phase or add a jump at the top. As you squat, brace your core gently, like you are preparing to cough. That core engagement is what makes squats such a powerful belly fat burner over time. Next up is mountain climbers. This is where we start to push your heart rate higher. Mountain climbers combine a plank position with fast leg movement, which challenges your core while driving up calorie burn. Start in a high plank with your hands under your shoulders. Bring one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs like you are running in place. If this feels too intense at first, slow it down and focus on form. Keep your hips level and your core tight. If you want to level it up, increase the speed while staying controlled. This exercise teaches your core to stabilize while your body is moving, which is far more effective for fat loss than static ab exercises alone. The third exercise is jumping jacks, and yes, they still work. Jumping jacks are simple, but do not underestimate them. They elevate your heart rate quickly and keep it elevated, which is key for burning fat. Stand tall, jump your feet out while raising your arms overhead, then jump back to the starting position. If jumping bothers your joints, step one foot out at a time instead. The goal is steady movement, not pain. Jumping jacks are especially effective when combined with strength movements because they help maintain a high calorie burn throughout your workout. Think of them as a bridge that keeps your metabolism fired up. Now we move into a strength-focused core movement that also demands full body tension: the plank. Planks don't burn belly fat directly, but they are essential for building a strong, tight core that supports better movement in every other exercise. Get into a forearm plank or high plank position, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Focus on breathing slowly while maintaining tension through your abs, glutes, and legs. If you are new, hold for shorter periods and rest as needed. If you're advanced, add shoulder taps or leg lifts while keeping your hips steady. A stronger core means better posture, better performance, and more effective fat-burning workouts overall.
The fifth exercise is burpees, and this is where everything comes together. Burpees are demanding, but they are one of the most effective calorie-burning exercises you can do with just your body weight. Start standing, drop into a squat, place your hands on the floor, step or jump your feet back into a plank, then return to standing. You can remove the jump if needed or slow the movement down. What matters is consistency and effort. Burpees challenge your legs, arms, chest, core, and cardiovascular system all at once. This creates a powerful fat-burning response and pushes your mental limits, which is often where real change begins. As you work through these exercises, remember that pace matters more than perfection. Focus on steady breathing, good form, and staying present. Fat loss is not about destroying yourself in one workout. It's about showing up consistently and choosing movements that give you the most return for your effort.
Here is the most important thing to understand, and this is where many people miss the mark. These exercises work best when they are combined into a routine and paired with smart nutrition. Doing them once in a while will not change your body, but doing them regularly will. When you challenge your body with full body movements, you are training it to become more efficient at burning energy, even at rest. The real transformation happens when you stop chasing quick fixes and start building habits. Each time you complete a workout like this, you reinforce confidence, discipline, and belief in yourself. That mental shift is just as important as the physical one. Belly fat does not disappear overnight, but strength, energy, and momentum build faster than you think. As you finish this workout or take in this information, take a moment to slow your breathing and relax your body. Shake out your arms, loosen your legs, and stand tall. You have just learned exercises that work your entire body and support long-term fat loss, not just short-term sweat. These movements target your legs, core, upper body, and heart, which is exactly what your body needs to burn fat more effectively. When paired with balanced meals, enough protein, and regular movement, they help create visible changes over time. Progress may feel slow at first, but consistency always wins. If this helped you understand belly fat and training in a clearer way, take a second to like the video so more people can find it. Subscribe to the channel if you want simple, effective workouts and honest fitness guidance. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new routine or tip. I would also love to hear from you. Comment below and tell me which exercise felt the hardest for you today, or what your main fitness goal is right now. And when you are ready, check out the next video on the channel where we build on this routine and take your progress even further. You've got this, and I'll see you there.